We are at 11,000 something 100 feet, and I think to keep with the theme of the day, the Florida boy is pulling up the rear. We just got dropped off. We took a shuttle up here. When I say we, I mean the gimbal crew. You'll see everybody soon, but there's trail features, Outdoor Gold, Jason Bikes, JF Rides, Crashing Dad, and I don't know that I'm missing anybody else. I think that's it. Oh yeah, me, Mr. Tonka. But we got shuttled up here, and I went in, used the bathroom, came out. It was hailing and raining. We all ducked for cover under that little cover right there. It's still a little windy, a little chilly, but now we start climbing. And yes, we start climbing, even though it's 11,100 and something feet. Oh, no front brakes. That's who I was forgetting. I'm on a new bike too. It's a Pivot Mach 5.5, rented from Sports Garage in Boulder. Shane, Eric, James, say hi.
Hi. What up?
So that's all the climbing, right?
That's it. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna take the gun.
Whew. I'm on board with that. You know I only ride park now, right?
Wrong way. That's a prank. No.
My first taste of Colorado Trail. Colorado downhill. It was all of about 20 feet. Pretty sure we're going back to climbing. It's pretty steep in some spots, and the elevation is like, that's completely wrong, because we're like 11,600 feet, and look what's brewing off in the distance. Hopefully that's not coming our way. There's already been lightning up there. We're all kinds of strung out on the trail. You know, JF and Jason Bikes up in the front, RC Outdoor Gold, he's up there in the orange. Got Shane in front of me, and the boys from Texas, one of them newly relocated to Colorado, right on my tail. As expected, the Flatlanders from the low elevation are pulling up the rear. Colorado boys are leading us out. I'll check in later.
Get in there! Get closer!
You guys didn't have to wait. We were about to run you down. We were about ready to pass you.
All right, Mr. Tonka, how was that climb?
It's a nice little hike.
Yeah, nice little hike. It's pretty steep, huh?
I think my lung is either overinflated or underinflated. But it hurts a lot right there and here.
How's the toe?
The toe is taking backseat to the lungs.
Yeah, if you guys can hear, that's thunder. You're talking about my legs? Oh, God! Oh! That's gone in.
All right. It was a big storm. It's thundering. There's seen some lightning. Just down this trail, maybe 550 feet of more climbing, we get above the tree line. So we figured we'd stay under the tree line, even though everything says don't sit under a tree in a lightning storm.
Where are we supposed to sit?
We're supposed to huddle together in an open field. I'm pretty sure that's what we're supposed to do.
I'll keep you warm.
So yeah, you can probably hear the thunder. It's all that way. And we're gonna go up there and crouch.
And it's thundering and lightning.
Be sure to listen for a crack if the wind gets too high. And then like a bunch of them will blow.
Probably
if you get one, there's probably going to be at least 12
It's
more.
like dominoes.
It'll probably fall on our bikes.
I would cry. You're like, why did you not strike me?
All right, we survived the rainstorm and the lightning. Everything's a little wet. Mud. Oh, wrong gear. I don't know how I got roped into all this climbing when a shuttle ride. So this open area is why we hunker down in the tree line before we get out here. And yes, I'm still winded. I made the mistake of getting behind a Colorado guy and in front of a Colorado guy. They're trying to kill me. Holy cow. I'm not gonna make this one. We are up here. Can you say God's country? Holy cow. Look at these views. You can see how fast the clouds are moving. Nice. This is not a bad place to be. As long as you're relatively fit and hydrated. I like these little teaser downhills, which usually isn't that bad. I mean, I can get this climb. It's like not a big deal, but when it's at 12,000 feet is when I start having issues. This one seems to go for a bit. I'll catch you later. We stopped at a little overlook here. Not bad. You see some fog and clouds coming over the mountain.
So those two right there are both 14,000 foot peaks.
Is that? Oh,
so
yeah.
We got Shadow kind of behind that tree.
Yeah.
And then Tabawatch.
Yeah.
To the left.
14ers over there in the distance.
Nice. She doesn't care.
That doesn't look all that wonderful.
No,
But it's going quick. And I don't think it'll still be there by the time we get there. Alright, we're still going uphill. Still raining a little bit. Most likely because I took my rain jacket off. You know how that goes. All of a sudden, I find myself alone. Pretty much right at the tree line. And there's like limited sight. And if you're all alone, you feel like there's a bear, a mountain lion watching you. Got that going on in my head. I know in all reality, seeing a bear or a mountain lion out here would be pretty rad, and it'd still be highly unlikely for them to attack. So I'm gonna push forward and hopefully catch up with a couple of guys so that I don't look like a free lunch all by myself. And who knows what that'll do to my legs and lungs trying to catch people, but we'll see how it goes. Chase is on. Oh, there's a hiker up there. At least I won't be dinner or lunch for one, and I can save the legs. Check that out. That's a nice 360 right there. Apparently we're traversing over to one of these peaks over here. So I've been told, or unless I misunderstood because I was deliriously lacking oxygen. Sorry for the sniffles, but it's cold. Oh man. You guys just missed this totally sweet little downhill section. It's freaking flying, little flowy, back and forth, some jumps, and now I've turned it on when we got flat and probably going uphill again. So you just have to take my word for it. That was a ripping good time right there. Hopefully just the first of many to come. Whoa, big rocks. Janky tech all of a sudden. Oh, mud. I don't have my mud guard. Mud's flying everywhere. Keep my eye on that front wheel and where it gets placed. Whoa, that was slick. Freaking glasses are covered in mud. I'm assuming the lens is too. There's a house, a lean-to or something. That was pretty rad though. Yeah. Dudes, oh my gosh, I can see where we're going. I don't know if you can see, it's way up there. Jeez and Pete's. Holy cow. Going way up there to the top. Time for this Florida boy to start hiking. And if we didn't have 30 miles left to go, maybe I'd give it a go. 30 more miles is no joke, either up or downhill. And on that one downhill I didn't get to film, my legs were already feeling a little fatigued. I actually haven't ridden since snowshoe, and I'm feeling it. Not to mention, we're sitting above 12,000 feet right now, and my lungs are feeling it. Okay, Tonka out. The death march continues. I'll ride up this last little bit until I cleaned it all. I cleaned the whole thing, didn't walk at all.
That's right.
Not even a little bit.
With a wheelie. I saw it.
Most of the time. I multitasked. I ate something while coming up.
I ate something while you came up too.
So I did it again. We got some rad downhill, came up on us real quick, and I wasn't recording. It was freaking fun as hell though. Whoa, boulder field. That's awesome. Like out of nowhere. Welcome to the West. No, I'm good. I could use a rest. Hey guys. Yeah. Oh, that's why he's pedaling.
Yeah!
Man, I wish I was recording for that first half. That was awesome.
Nice, dude. That's one of the best segments on this thing.
Damn.
I don't know, it's like little bits like that the whole way, so.
Great.
Yeah. Saves, what I meant to mention to everybody was save some for the end. Rainbow is undulating. It looks flat on your GPS.
Yeah.
Or on the map. It's only just because it's like small, but it's like, we're fine, down, up. You know.
That's what the driver of the van told me. He was like, he's like the end of the trail where the rainbows, he goes, those really put the people in a pain cave.
Because they spin it all up here. They're like, oh, we climbed, now we just go down.
Yeah.
Those little undulations never map out.
Right. They're short and punchy. That's what we're used to in Florida, but in Florida they're smooth, so you can get as much speed as you want going down.
Yeah.
But here I'm sure they're rocky and tacky going down.
And then they're going to cut into the drainage and go boop, boop.
Oh, fun.
So, yeah, no flow out. Where are these guys?